I've been exploring the Flightradar24 app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Flightradar24 app. Flightradar24 is a powerful flight tracking app that lets you see live air traffic from all over the world right on your phone or tablet. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or just curious about the planes flying overhead, this app provides real-time updates and detailed flight information that brings the skies closer to you. Now, talking about the features, the app opens up to a detailed, interactive map showing planes moving live as they fly above different countries and continents. You can tap any aircraft to get crucial info like its flight number, route, departure and arrival times, aircraft type, altitude, speed, and even high-quality photos of the exact plane. One standout feature is the augmented reality view, which lets you point your phone at the sky and identify nearby flights in real time, a truly impressive experience. For a deeper look, you can explore flights in a 3D cockpit view, seeing what pilots see during their journey. Beyond that, the app offers airport boards, current flight delays, weather overlays, and the ability to replay past flights. With premium subscriptions, you unlock even more features like extended flight history, detailed aeronautical charts, and weather layers to enhance your tracking experience. From my personal experience, Flightradar24 has been an engaging tool that satisfies both casual curiosity and in-depth tracking. I enjoy how easily I can find flights by number, route, or airline, and the AR feature adds a fun, interactive twist. The interface is smooth and visually appealing, making navigation intuitive whether I'm just checking a plane overhead or digging into historical data. It's also handy for frequent travelers who want timely updates and a comprehensive view of air traffic patterns. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the free version, while robust, limits access to detailed features and longer flight history, prompting some users to consider premium plans. Occasionally, data updates can be a bit delayed due to reliance on ground receivers or satellite connections, especially in less covered regions. Also, some advanced features might feel overwhelming to new users not familiar with aviation terms. And, as with any app relying on real-time data, occasional glitches or slow loading times can occur. All things considered, Flightradar24 remains one of the best flight tracking apps available, offering a rich blend of real-time data, engaging features, and an intuitive experience. Whether you're a plane spotter, traveler, or simply curious about the skies, it's definitely worth downloading and exploring. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.